Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing platform that can help you get tons of high quality traffic for your website or offers. And it's perfect for anyone who wants to scale their online business. Whether you are into CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or running your own website, you can get targeted traffic to generate more leads, sales, and conversions. You need to watch this full video without skipping any part. I'm going to share with you step by step. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I wanna share with you this platform ppcmate. You can check link in the description. Guys, this is a best platform to get loads of website traffic. This is a 100% trusted platform. Here you can see this platform has got 4.6 star ratings on Trustpilot. You can get visitors from top countries for your website. Using this platform, you can generate loads of leads. This platform gives you access to global traffic sources, advanced targeting options, and real-time analytics so you can maximize your ROI. The best thing about this platform is that this platform will support you 24/7. Here you can see ad formats. You can create video ads, you can create display ads, you can create native ads, you can create pop under ads. Here you can see you can increase website traffic, you can maximize affiliate earnings, you can boost YouTube videos, you can boost mobile app installs, you can boost e-commerce sales, and there are many more. Let me show you how you can get loads of traffic. You can click on Get Started button. It will then take you to this page. You can click on Sign Up button. Now you can type here your full name. You can type your company name. You can type here your name. You can type here your email address. You can select your country. Now you can type your password. You can confirm password. You can click here to accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on sign up button. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see easy to understand dashboard. First of all, you will have to add funds in your ppcmate account. You can click on add funds button. Now you can type your deposit amount. You can use any of this payment method to deposit amount. You can click on Start Payment button. Now in next step, you can click on Creatives button. Click on New Creative. You can type your creative name. Now you can select your ad format. You can select pop under ad. You can select push notification. You can select display ad. You can select native ad, you can select video ad. Now you can type your impression capping, 3 user per day. You can select your position, above, below, full screen. Now you can paste your landing page. You can paste here your website URL. If you want to promote your YouTube videos, then you can paste here your YouTube video URL. I'm going to paste here my website URL. Now you can upload your banner image. You can go on ChatGPT platform and you can type your prompt. Now you can click here. Here you can see ChatGPT is generating image. Now you can click here to download this image. You can go on ppcmate platform. You can click here to upload that image. You can select your size. You can select any of this size. You can type your impression pixel. You can type your third party tracking. At last, you can click on save button. Now you can click on orders. Click on new order. You can type your order name. Now you can type your total budget, $50. Type your daily budget, $5. You can set your dates. Click on save button. Now it's time to activate campaigns. Click on campaigns button. Click on new campaign button. Type your campaign name. Now switch on the status. Now select your creatives, CPA marketing. Select your order, CPA. Type your campaign budget, $50. Daily budget $5. Select your spending type CPC, cost per click. If you want, you can increase this amount. You can set your default tracker. Set your air delivery time as soon as possible. In targeting, you can select your country. I want to get visitors from United States. In targeting, you can select your countries. You can select states, cities. You can select your language. You can select your device type. At last, you can click on Save button. Now this campaign is ready to go live. You can get campaign approval from ppcmate platform within 24 hours. You can see your impressions, clicks, CTR, spends. If you want to duplicate this campaign, then you can click here. You can click here to duplicate this campaign. You can click here to remove this campaign. If you want to edit this campaign, then you can click here. Now you can edit this campaign. You can increase your CPC. You can increase your budget. You can do anything. You can set your impression limit. 1 user, 10 impressions. You can select your countries, states, cities. You can select your device type. At last, you can click on Save button. You can track your campaign. You can see reports about your campaign. You can see impressions, CPM, clicks, CTR, spends, bids. Guys, it's very simple to launch your campaign on ppcmate platform. You can get lots of targeted traffic for your CPA offer. ppcmate is an amazing platform that can help you get tons of high quality traffic for your website or offers. It's perfect for everyone who wants to scale their online business. Whether you are into CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or running your own website, ppcmate can provide you with targeted traffic to generate more leads, sales, and conversions. So friends, take advantage of ppcmate platform without getting late. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.